Hi CSU team. This is my statement of purpose for the admission in information system program at CSU Long Beach. So being from a business class family, I'm always interested in methods and like various factors that drive a business. So like systems. So after a good time of observation, I learned that business management activities and its related project operations are the factors that make a business successful. So there is always like a competitive personality inside me, which pushes me to give up my best, and that helped me to score very good position during my school time also. So owing to my best efforts, I was able to bag 10 CGPA in 10th grade, and even an appreciation letter from respected Education Minister Kapil Sibal sir. Following this, I performed well and scored 83 percentile in 12th grade. So being fond of technology, like I'm always fond of technology and also business activities, I decided to give a best efforts in engineering first during my graduation, and started my college journey at Northern India Engineering College, Guru Gobind Singh Indraprastha University in 2000, from 2017 to 2013 to 2017. Sorry. So during the course, like I enjoyed applying mathematics and engineering drawing. So I also like other subjects such as human values and professional ethics. Apart from that basic things, I was a part of group of 10 people and represented at our college, Northern Indian Engineering College, in the competition that is FE Cycle 2016, hosted at a all over India level at Punjab LPU University. So through that project, I got like perfection on various engineering methods. Apart from having strong academic knowledge, I feel like one also should have exposure to real life skills that are required to excel after college. With this thought, I decided to coordinate with some of the best minds of our college and form ECEL and IIC. So that was one of my achievements. So our team won the best college awards hosted by Education Tree, like for the best ECEL all over India. So in 2015, I also did monthly training, industrial training at Devchaya Industries, and following that in 2016, I also did industrial training at Maruti. So to expand my knowledge, like in professional, to expand my knowledge after college, I joined India Mart Intermesh Limited. First I joined i3 as QA trainee and then QA consultant. Following that, I joined India Mart Intermesh Limited as senior engineer in 2018. Here I learned about testing and its methodologies. And following that, in the career growth, I last year I joined Bolt as a company as a QA engineer. So I feel that my experience makes me a very perfect fit to explore the field like of information systems, because currently I'm related to the technology of Java and Agile Scrum methodology and coding. So web application testing and manual testing also. So in the next 5 years, if I talk about my long-term goals, I want to be financially strong and skillful enough to attain a higher position in organization where I indulge and look upon various operations and provide my best knowledge to the same. I would like to be a part of like project or product head, senior manager or head of department also. I'm always willing to upscale my inputs to achieve the desired long-term goals. However, in long term, maybe in distant future, I want to start my startup also with the knowledge I acquired during my experiences. So I want to set up a network that creates opportunities for people and that also benefits the society. Considering my experiences and professional objective, I think that the California State University has erudite professors and industry practitioners that deliver quality education, and its like information systems program will help me to build in-demand industry skills to advance in my career. Besides academics, I also want to contribute to the extracurricular activities of the university. For instance, I was appointed as General Secretary of the Mechanical Department in our College Fest, and I successfully organized and managed several events. I know myself and I believe that I can deliver my best of best to attain the top ranking in the university. So I will be very happy if I got admitted in the Long Beach, California State University. Thank you so much. Ashish signing off.